About 610,000 people die of heart disease in the United States every year. That's 1 in every 4 deaths. The heart is a muscle and it needs an adequate blood supply to provide oxygen so that the muscle can contract and pump blood to the rest of the body. Atherosclerosis is a hardening and narrowing of the arteries. Silently and slowly, it blocks arteries, putting blood flow at risk. It's the usual cause of heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral vascular disease. You can help reduce your risk of heart disease by lowering your cholesterol. Make more than a half-point improvement and without the side effects by making dietary changes. Unhealthy diets affect the structure and the function of your arteries. A single fast food meal can stiffen and constrict your arteries shortly after consumption, and the inflammation will last for hours. One option is to adopt a whole food plant-based diet. This lifestyle change will have you positioned for optimal health. Prevent, reduce, reverse. Prevent today, reduce your risk, reverse what you can. The following are just some tips that you can choose to incorporate. Incorporate dark leafy greens in your diet daily. Some dark leafy green options are kale, bok choy, kohlrabi, arugula, and spinach. Incorporate fresh whole fruit, especially berries. Switch to whole grains. Use unsweetened plant-based milk instead of animal-based milk. Reduce consumption of processed foods. Prepare your own healthful meals. Keep an eye out for my upcoming meal prep video for some ideas. Stop smoking. Reduce alcohol consumption. Exercise 90+ minutes a week. Reduce consumption of soda pop. Substitute pop for some good old-fashioned water. Check out the description box below. And check out my video with step-by-step instructions on making some delicious hibiscus tea. Today is the best day to start. Let's show our hearts some love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.